Hey everyone, welcome back to Kuki Decor. If you're new here, we're all about inspiring home decor ideas that blend style, comfort, and creativity, and today's video is no exception. We're diving into the beautiful contrast and harmony between modern and rustic wooden nightstands, two timeless styles that can completely transform the feel of your bedroom. Whether you lean towards sleek, clean lines and minimalist aesthetics or prefer the warmth of aged wood, raw textures, and handcrafted charm, wooden nightstands are the perfect way to tie a bedroom together. But here's the fun part: what if you didn't have to choose just one? In this video, we'll show you how modern and rustic elements can either stand alone or even blend together for a unique and balanced look that suits your personality and space. We'll explore different materials, shapes, finishes, and design tips, from rich walnut pieces with hidden drawers to chunky reclaimed wood nightstands full of character. You'll also get ideas for how to style your nightstand, whether you're going for a clean, modern setup or a cozy, layered rustic vibe. Before we jump in, let us know in the comments, are you team modern, team rustic, or somewhere in between? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our latest decor ideas and styling guides. Grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's take a closer look at how wooden nightstands, both modern and rustic, can add personality, function, and timeless beauty to your bedroom. Let's get started. Wooden nightstands have long held a treasured place in bedroom decor, not merely as functional pieces of furniture but as anchors of style, texture, and personality. They are more than just a surface for your lamp or a place to drop your phone. They represent a confluence of craftsmanship, material richness, and everyday utility. Their presence beside the bed subtly influences the room's ambience, setting the tone for both comfort and visual warmth. In many ways, the wooden nightstand is the unsung hero of bedroom furnishings, a quiet companion that endures through years of changing decor styles, offering both stability and charm. What makes wooden nightstands so compelling is their extraordinary range. They can be rustic, modern, vintage, minimalist, maximalist, or a harmonious blend of styles that reflects the unique character of the space they inhabit. A distressed oak nightstand with visible knots and grain, for instance, immediately evokes a rustic, farmhouse feel, grounding the room with earthy familiarity. In contrast, a sleek walnut piece with clean lines and hidden handles speaks to modern sophistication, where simplicity and form take precedence. The adaptability of wood as a material lends itself beautifully to this kind of aesthetic versatility, making it easy to match nightstands with virtually any bedroom theme or personal taste. One of the defining traits of wooden nightstands is the texture they bring into a room. Whether smooth and polished or rough-hewn and raw, wood's natural grain tells a story of age and environment, and that narrative becomes a subtle part of the room's energy. A reclaimed pine nightstand, for instance, might carry decades of history in its grooves and imperfections, infusing the bedroom with a sense of nostalgia and connection to nature. The patina of aged wood often adds depth and soul, something that manufactured materials like plastic or metal rarely achieve. There's also a tactile quality that wood offers: its temperature, weight, and texture, that makes it feel more intimate and grounding, especially in a space like the bedroom where comfort is paramount. The craftsmanship behind wooden nightstands is also an important factor to consider. Traditional joinery methods such as dovetail joints, mortise and tenon connections, or hand-carved details elevate these nightstands from mere furniture to artisanal objects. In an age where mass production often overshadows quality, a well-made wooden nightstand can be a testament to skill and attention to detail. Many people are drawn to handmade or bespoke nightstands precisely because they embody the time and care that went into their making. The sense of authenticity that comes from a piece made by a craftsperson, using techniques passed down through generations, adds a layer of value that transcends the functional. Wooden nightstands also offer practicality in abundance. They typically include drawers, shelves, or cabinets that provide essential storage in a bedroom setting. Whether it's a place to store your nighttime reads, a drawer to hide away remotes and chargers, or a surface to keep a water glass and alarm clock within reach, the wooden nightstand is endlessly useful. The solid structure of wood makes it reliable over time, capable of supporting the weight of lamps, books, or even decorative sculptures without sagging or warping. Furthermore, many wooden nightstands come with thoughtful design features such as felt-lined drawers, soft close mechanisms, or built-in charging stations, blending traditional material with modern conveniences. Another reason wooden nightstands remain so popular is their potential for personalization. Since wood is a mutable material, it can be stained, painted, or carved to suit individual preferences. You might choose a rich espresso stain for a more formal, luxurious look or go for a lighter natural finish to evoke Scandinavian calm. Some may opt to paint their nightstands in bold colors to introduce a pop of personality, while others may choose to let the natural grain shine through, celebrating the uniqueness of the wood. Even the choice of hardware, whether brass knobs, wrought iron handles, or minimalist cutouts, can dramatically shift the piece's character, turning it from a standard storage item into a statement of style. The cultural resonance of wood also plays a role in its appeal. Wood has historically been a material of significance in many traditions and architectural styles. From the solid teak nightstands found in Southeast Asian homes to the delicate cherry wood tables in colonial American bedrooms, each type of wood and form carries meaning and memory. When people incorporate wooden nightstands into their homes, they're often tapping into a larger narrative of tradition, heritage, and a connection to nature. This emotional dimension can be deeply satisfying, offering a sense of continuity and permanence in an ever-changing world. Sustainability is another important aspect to consider. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, wooden furniture, especially pieces made from sustainably harvested or reclaimed wood, has gained favor. Wooden nightstands, when sourced responsibly, represent a renewable and biodegradable option that stands in stark contrast to the environmental footprint of plastic or composite materials. Reclaimed wood, in particular, has become highly desirable not only for its eco-credentials but also for the character and uniqueness it brings. A nightstand crafted from repurposed barn wood or salvaged floorboards doesn't just reduce waste, it tells a story and offers a one-of-a-kind design element that cannot be replicated. Moreover, wooden nightstands can also serve as small stages for self-expression. The items placed on or inside them, the books you're reading, a cherished photo, a handmade ceramic bowl for jewelry, transform them into personal vignettes. In this way, they reflect daily habits and individual aesthetics, becoming not just furniture but curated microenvironments within the larger bedroom space. The nightstand's top can support a rotating cast of meaningful objects, from a seasonal flower arrangement to a scented candle that marks the beginning or end of the day. These quiet rituals, enabled by the presence of a nightstand, enhance the sense of sanctuary that a bedroom offers. Even the placement and pairing of wooden nightstands contribute to the room's overall design narrative. Symmetry, using matching nightstands on either side of the bed, can evoke balance and order, a timeless design principle that brings a calming effect. Alternatively, mixing mismatched nightstands in complementary styles or finishes introduces eclectic charm and a more relaxed, lived-in feel. Some designers even experiment with contrasting materials, pairing a wooden nightstand with metal legs or a marble top to introduce contrast and texture. This blending of elements reflects a modern approach to design that values uniqueness and personalization over rigid uniformity. Wooden nightstands are also incredibly adaptable to different life stages and living arrangements. In a child's room, a sturdy maple or birch nightstand can serve as both a bookshelf and a catch-all for bedtime necessities. In a guest room, a compact, elegantly designed nightstand can create a welcoming touch while offering convenience to overnight visitors. For couples, larger nightstands with multiple drawers offer ample space for two people's needs, while still maintaining visual cohesion on either side of the bed. In studio apartments or small homes, a well-designed nightstand can even double as a mini dresser or a compact work surface, especially when paired with clever lighting or wall-mounted accessories. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the world of modern and rustic wooden nightstands, two styles that prove just how much personality and charm a small piece of furniture can bring to your bedroom. Whether you're drawn to the clean elegance of modern design or the raw, earthy textures of rustic wood, there's no wrong choice, just the one that feels right for you and your space. We hope this video gave you fresh ideas and inspiration to either refresh your current setup or go hunting for that perfect nightstand that speaks to your style. Maybe you're now thinking about blending the two, mixing sleek lines with rugged finishes for a look that's balanced, warm, and unique. That's the beauty of design, it's all about expressing yourself. If you found a favorite style from today's video, drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear whether you're team modern, team rustic, or somewhere perfectly in the middle. And if you're styling your own wooden nightstand soon, tag us on social media or share your ideas. We're always excited to see how our community brings these looks to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations, DIY tips, and styling guides here on Kuki Decor. There's so much more to come, and we can't wait to share it with you. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative, stay cozy, and we'll see you in the next one.